New at 5, 4 employees of a local domestic violence shelter are facing charges. State police say they obstructed justice in a child custody case.
The incident led troopers to forcibly breach the doors of the center in Greensburg in order to get to a 3-year-old child inside. Erica Stanish is at the state police barracks with more on what happened.
State police say they had court-ordered paperwork to serve an emergency custody order to a woman with a 3-year-old child, but say when the shelter that they were at refused to open the doors, they had no choice but to pry them open, but say employees on the other side were trying to hold them shut. It was October 1st when state police were given a court-ordered emergency custody order to serve to a woman with a 3-year-old child. State police were able to track that woman to the Blackburn Domestic Violence Center in Greensburg.
When he contacted them, they had advised they could not confirm or deny if the mother and child were staying at one of their facilities.
That's when state police got a search warrant signed by a judge to go inside the facility. But when they got there, they say the facility refused to open the doors.
They deny us entry. This conversation goes back and forth for several minutes. We contact the 911 dispatch center to have them call to the center that we're trying to gain access to, and there's no luck.
Nearly 10 minutes later, and several attempts explaining that the troopers alongside CYS had a court order to go inside, troopers say they had no choice but to breach the doors, but say employees inside were holding them shut.
And it gets to the point where there's almost a tug of war with the door. Ultimately, we gain entry through force into the facility, and as we expected, the 3-year-old and the mother are there.
Police say 4 employees now face charges of obstruction of justice and disorderly conduct.
Unfortunately, we were put in a position that was really uncomfortable for all the people involved, but we have a job to do, and we're concerned about the safety of a 3-year-old, and that's why we were there to begin with, because the court decided that they were concerned about the welfare of the 3-year-old being with the adult that it was with, and that it no longer could be with that person.
We reached out to the Blackburn Center, who sent us a statement saying, in part, this is difficult and stressful work. Blackburn Center supports our staff and believes that the legal process will show that the situation was handled appropriately. The Pennsylvania Coalition Against Domestic Violence also released a statement saying, in part, domestic violence advocates cannot be compelled by a court or by law enforcement to testify or disclose information about their clients to authorities. And go on to say they're appalled at the troopers' lack of knowledge of and adherence to legal privilege and confidentiality in this incident. They're now calling for all charges to be dropped, saying the employees acted in accordance with policy and Pennsylvania law. As for the child involved, we're told they're now with another family member. Reporting in Greensburg, Westmoreland County, Erica Stanish, KDKA-TV News.